Not sharing, sorry.
Today we're going to be making some Spanako-patties, which is, we combine two of your favourite dishes, which is Spanakopita and patties. We know you love a patty, whether it be a rissole or a fish cake, and we can get it all done in just 20 minutes.
20 minutes?
20 minutes.
That sounds amazing and delicious, and I love Spanakopita. So, time to get cooking.
Let's do it. Shall we go and blanch our spinach?
Absolutely, let's go.
So that we just pour over a kettle of boiling water until all the spinach is wilted. It's the quickest way to blanch spinach. And then rinse with cold water. And once that's done, just pick it up and squeeze. So we've got our blanched spinach.
Fantastic.
And we add ricotta.
So you don't need to chop that?
No. Oh. Feta. And garlic. Our parsley. And 1 egg. So we mix it all up together like that. And now we can add our rice.
So you're using just a packet of microwave rice?
No need to heat it up, just throw it all in. So it's time to roll, Shelley. So about 1/4 cups of mixture.
Yep.
Turn them into patties.
And do you press them firmly?
Yes, to hold them all together.
Great. And what kind of breadcrumbs are you using?
I'm using panko breadcrumbs. I find they crisp up really nicely when you fry them, so they give it a really nice texture on the outside.
Now what's next, Amira?
Now we can cook them.
Awesome, let's go.
So now we're adding oil to the pan. We need about 1/2 cup. Then we're going to add our patties. Now they need only about 2 minutes on each side. We just need them to get nice and golden. And then we just turn our patties.
Look how crunchy the panko goes on the outside of those. How delicious do they look?
Gives them such a nice texture. So these are ready to go.
They look amazing. Now, how many of those can I have?
3 each. 2 and 3.
Fantastic. Okay, Amira, is it time to try them?
It's time to dig in.
Okay, let's go. I'm going to put the lemon on,
So
your suggestion, because I do love a bit of fresh lemon.
Let me know what you think.
Oh, I can hear the crunch.
Yeah. So good.
They're really nice and they're really soft as well. For this recipe and so many more, head to taste.com.au.